Hello everyone, I'm Lazar Nikolov, a developer advocate at Sentry, and welcome to Quad Monthly Roundup Frontend Edition. In this series, we'll go through some of the events that happened in the frontend space in the last 4 months, so we all keep ourselves up to date. All of the links in this video can also be found in the description below. Alright, let's dive in. The StackOverflow 2023 Developer Survey is live. We're doing this every year, and this year is no exception. Netlify acquired Gatsby back in February. Gatsby will remain free and open source, while the Valhalla Content Hub will be a paid feature for enterprise developers to consolidate all data sources for their websites. Rauno published an article called Crafting the Next.js Website, in which he explains how he and his team built Next.js's new website. This is a seriously good read. Guess what? Chrome 112 adds supports for CSS Nesting. I personally have waited years for this feature. Firefox and Safari might not be there yet, but it's an exciting time for CSS. There's this VS Code extension that prettifies TypeScript errors. I'll be honest, I never could understand half of the TypeScript errors. This extension takes care of that. You know there are other ways to define color than RGB, right? Keith Grant published the It's Time to Learn oklch Color article, in which he also explains why you should learn it. The counter-styled CSS property is going cross-browser soon. Safari added support for it in their technical preview version. This is actually a pretty nifty CSS property. I use it in my personal website to enumerate the headings in my articles with just CSS. View transitions land in Chrome 111. This is huge. You'll be able to achieve these animations without needing external libraries. I can't wait to play with this API. Zach Leatherman published the JavaScript Site Generator Review 2023. This is a very interesting article in which he reviews 8 of the most popular site generators. Those were the interesting community bits I could set aside for you. I know that 100 more interesting things happened, so let's start building a longer list in the comments below. Drop a line with a significant event in the past 4 months that I didn't include in this video. I'll move to Sentry's updates now, but in the meantime, at the bottom of the screen you'll see all of the events and conferences we'll be present at, just in case you want to stop by and say hello. Let's begin with Sentry's updates. Our Next.js SDK now supports Vercel's middleware and edge routes, so you can effectively build and deploy in the edge environment while monitoring your application with Sentry. We now detect 6 new performance issues and surface them directly in your issues feed. These include uncompressed assets, large render blocking assets, n+1 API calls, consecutive DB queries, mn+1 DB queries, and slow DB queries. Session replay is now generally available for web-based platforms. It provides video-like reproduction of user sessions on your web application, so you can see exactly what the user experienced leading up to an error or performance issue. That is pretty cool. Our new integration with Netlify improves upon the Sentry Netlify build plugin to provide visibility around functions usage and spike patterns. This integration enables users to add Sentry error monitoring to Netlify functions, scheduled functions, and background functions. It also includes minimal configuration for Sentry cron monitoring on scheduled functions and centralizes all errors in the Sentry project to help users debug them more efficiently. We have updated our JS loader for browser to be dynamically configured to load replay and performance bundles. If you don't use these features, your website will be lighter. We've got a brand new engineering blog created and led by Adam. This is where Sentry engineers would publish technical articles that we all want to read. We acquired syntax.fm. This is super huge. As a longtime syntax follower, I can't be more excited about this. You can read more about what does this acquisition mean for both Sentry and Syntax on the link below. And that's all for this video. I hope you're up to date with everything that's happening. Again, if I left something out, post it in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.